With a pollen bomb hitting a lot of country, lots of us are experiencing pesky hay fever and allergies. Mira Yordanova, owner of Top Cleaning GB, has shared her best cleaning hacks to help you get a better night's sleep. Tip number 1. Dry your clothes inside. After doing your laundry, avoid drying your clothes and your bed sheets outside in the fresh air where pollen and dust can collect on them. Instead, dry them in a tumble dryer or hang them up inside. Tip number 2. Make your own dust repellent spray. Mix the following ingredients to create a homemade dusting spray that will keep your surfaces cleaner for longer. 125 milliliters of water, 60 milliliters cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a few drops of essential oil of your choosing to give your spray the perfect scent. Remember to check if it's safe for pet. Tip number 3. Vacuum your mattress and wash your bed sheets every week. Vacuum your mattress weekly to make sure that no trace of allergens are left. And don't forget to flip it to vacuum both sides. Wash your bedding once a week, too, giving special attention to pillow covers. Tip number 4. Wash your hair before going to bed. Spending time outside in the glorious sun can also come with the risk of pollen getting stuck to your hair, and, as such, your pillowcase. To avoid opening your bedroom to pesky pollen, wash your hair before bed every evening. Tip number 5. Vacuum twice a week. It's a good habit to vacuum at least twice a week, especially for rooms covered in carpets where dust can deposit very easily. But make sure you're cleaning the whole bedroom, not just the floors. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the summer, but be very cautious and protect yourself from dust and allergies.